Alright, so I'm outside right now, and you can see by my beard that it's windy out here. And so what I'm going to do is I have the Poly Voyager 360 earbuds in because I'm walking my dog, Otis, and we're going to see how it sounds in this wind. Alright, so as you saw, it's very windy out here, and I'm walking on the side of the road, walking Otis, and so this is what it would sound like if you were outside in windy conditions on the side of the road. Here comes some cars, and using the Poly Voyager 360 series. This is what it would sound like. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and follow me on LinkedIn. Thanks.